Here is second part of making semiconductor. When we reviewed before about PN diode, so now today we leave the next step. MOSFET is active device which is make a difference for resistance and conductance to controlling signal. MOSFET is metal oxide semiconductor capacitor. So, when you apply the electronic current to gate, this device classified accumulation, depletion, and inversion layer. So, the difference is how much you do doping. MOSFET is different from CAP because the device is field effect transistor. So, we put on both sides doped silicon different from substrate, and you apply the current on gate and source. Current flow drain to source. In this way, MOSFET is used two ways. First is switch and second is amplifier. CMOS is completely MOS, a low power device, because this device which one side is turned on, the other side is turned off, so current consumption is reduced and the resulting power is reduced. And now I will explain the problems of the semiconductor process at present. Semiconductors are trying to reduce size, but trade-offs arise. The smaller the machine, the larger the depletion area when the current is applied. This name is punch-through phenomenon, where it overlaps and the leakage current flows and there is a VT lower-up, a phenomenon in which the subthreshold voltage decreases as the channel length decreases. There is also ripple that affect the drain itself and our mobility duration by velocity saturation. In addition, there are other hot carrier effect phenomena and contact resistance. All of this causes leakage current, which in turn can degrade the performance of the device or slow down its operation. So we have to fix these problems and continue to supplement them. To better handle these gate controls, the process of well bonding gate, oxide, source, and drain continues to evolve, and now we are developing a vertical from using FinFET. Here is bulk FinFET and here is bulk. On the memory side, it is divided into volatile memory, which cannot be saved when the power is turned off, and non-volatile memory, which is stored even when the power is turned off. The SRAM is volatile and static operation, and the circuit is driven by the concept of latch. Fast speed and low power are the advantages. DRAM is composed of an of one transistor and one capacitor, and it is a disadvantage. It is a disadvantage that it needs to change slow discharge. In the case of flash memory, it is a medium of various storage space, which is read and erases by the tunneling phenomenon and stored. Through this, subthreshold voltage was well controlled and reached the present triple level cell stage. VNAND is a way to integrate vertically with the abbreviation of vertical NAND. Based on these various technological capabilities, we are moving toward the development of microcomputers and patches for humans, and we will move forward.